Today, I want to talk about PSA magazines. Beginning of the month, I received my PSA magazine. Every month with the PSA subscription membership, you will receive a magazine. When you create your account, you get the option to pick between I don't remember what the name of the categories is, but it's basically like sports or like nerd stuff. We'll just go with nerd/anime stuff. Pretty much probably just going to get this kind of stuff, right? When I first got the magazine, with all of the talk about whether or not the PSA subscription is worth it, my first initial thought when I saw the magazine was price check. Let me find out how much these magazines are even selling for, because if you could sell the magazines immediately and make some money, just the magazine alone would offset the entire cost of the yearly subscription fee. Upon my initial search at the beginning of the month, they were selling for about $40, maybe free shipping. Maybe people were paying for shipping. I don't remember, but they were selling for about $40. I didn't sell it because I figured for $40, I'd rather just keep the magazine. I opened it up, the contents. I liked the contents of the magazine, so I figured I'm just going to kind of keep it. I like Lugia, whatever. I just had come out of the bathroom. I walked past my dining room table, and me and Lugia locked eyes. And I said, you know what? The month's almost over. I said, let me go back and price check this magazine. And I learned three things, three very important things. The first thing is they're only selling for like 10, 15 bucks. That's really not so important. But I would suggest if you want to make some money, sell it at the beginning of the month. People are paying apparently upwards of $40 for them. So if you get just a couple of magazines over the course of the year that are cool, like this Lugia, you can make your money back just by selling the magazines. The second thing is, I had completely forgotten about the fact that you can get a limited edition, like say a one of 100 or one of 1,000. I'm not sure how big they make these things, but as far as the Lugia, they are one of 100. And the third thing, which leads me to that, which brings me to my final point, the third and the most important tip of this entire video, I made the immediate mistake of ripping this thing open as soon as I got it to see if it was one of the limited ones. You don't have to. When you get this magazine, it's going to be in a plastic sleeve, and there's going to be a sheet of paper covering this, but the backside will be exposed, like so. Right here, right about there, it'll say what the item number is, like what the corresponding limited number for that magazine is. In this case, in the Lugia, there was 100 of them. The difference is the silver has like a reverse hollow pattern. Honestly, it's got like that glare to it. It's just it's a shiny magazine instead of a shiny card. And I guess the fourth, I guess this is the second. This goes in hand with the biggest tip is not only do you not have to open it to see the limited item, but if you're selling these magazines, if you don't care about the magazine and you're just selling them to recoup some more extra money on top of, you know, getting access to the sale for the specials on the grading fees, keep it sealed. Don't open it up. I would imagine collectors like to collect the way they collect, and most people like sealed things. So, if you don't want to keep it, I highly suggest if it's not limited, open it up. Who cares? If you want to sell it, keep it sealed. Keep it sealed. If it's limited. They sell for quite a bit. Seen a few sales for quite a few $100. Imagine getting like a 69 of 100. You can't tell me just for the meme people aren't going to pay more for that. Lucky number 13, lucky number 7. Random things like that probably even exponentiate, if that's even a word. They probably like even multiply the gains even more so. You know what I mean? So, I don't know, just a quick little video, just another point for PSA in my opinion, and the subscription. I do think the subscription is well worth it. Uh, Now that I got this magazine, I do believe, just doing a little research, seeing the one magazine is making me lean more towards PSA and actually having the membership. So just a quick video for you guys tonight. Couple tips on PSA magazines if you want to make a couple bucks. So let me know what you guys think. Do you remember? Do you pay the subscription? Do you have your magazine? Did you sell it? Curious to know what you guys are thinking. Next one, probably gonna, if it's not limited, probably gonna open it and keep it sealed. It's 40 bucks. You know, it's not gonna make or break me. But if it's a limited one, out the door. I'm gonna sell it immediately, and then I'll just buy one of these with the proceeds, honestly. So let me know what you guys are doing down in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Bye.